In today's world, we have to deal with a lot of data coming from different sources. Data from social media, blogs, companies, anything you name. And for a developer, it's a hell of a job for you to work only with relevant data. Whether you are searching a database, validating user inputs on forms, or even in the process of building a website. And this is the place where regular expression can make your work a lot easy. Actually, regular expression act like a filter that you create, and they will filter only relevant data which you asked for. So they can save your time, reduce your coding work, and increase your productivity. So regular expression is a must skill for backend developers and data scientists. That's why I created this course. In this course, we will look into regular expression as a whole because they are supported in every programming language and Unix-based systems. First, we will set up the environment in case if you're a complete beginner. And then we will learn basic regular expressions that will include working with simple text, characters, and numbers. Thereafter, we will start working with some complex topics like advanced groups, back references, assertions, and its types. And every single lecture of this course include exercises so that you can see how different modules of regular expressions are putting life into text and making your job easy. And at the end, we will build a project that includes creating regular expression for names, validating emails, validating website URLs, matching IP addresses, dates, time, postal codes of different countries, matching credit card numbers of major credit card companies, creating strong passwords with regular expressions, and many more. So if you are a complete beginner or want to take your skill at the next level, this is the right course for you. So learn regular expression and tell others that you know how to work with text better than anyone else. Feel free to explore this course further. I will see you inside.